Brought to you by JEGS.
Jeremy has a 2011 Chevy Silverado that's accumulated quite a few miles since the original purchase. In that time, he has noticed that his shocks have been riding softer and softer with noticeable hard hits on highway transitions, cattle crossings, and speed bumps. While checking out his options at his local repair shop, the sticker shock of having someone else do the work was just out of his budget. Jeremy researched doing the job himself, and after many suggestions from the online forums he's on, the perfect setup for what he wanted to accomplish was the Rancho QuickLift Loaded for the front and the 9-position adjustable RS 9000 XL shocks for the rear. With basic tools and general do-it-yourself knowledge, this strut and shock upgrade can be done in most driveways and garages across the country. On top of instructions that come with all Rancho products, there are many step-by-step videos online from Rancho as well as other do-it-yourselfers. The QuickLift Loaded will not only put a fresh new coil spring on the front end, it's paired with the industry-leading Rancho RS 9000 XL strut. No need for a spring compressor on the install. The QuickLift Loaded comes ready to go right out of the box. Although the Rancho 9000 XL shock upgrade for the rear will not lift your truck, the vehicle-specific valving and additional 9-position adjustability will really allow you to dial in that perfect ride for every on- and off-road experience. And to kill 3 birds with 1 stone, new replacement heavy-duty shock, fresh new coil spring, the QuickLift Loaded will also help level out the vehicle's stance, as this particular set comes from Rancho ready to give the Silverado an additional 1.5 inches to 2.25 inches of lift in the front. The variance all depends on the condition of the strut assembly it's replacing. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or prefer one of Rancho's authorized dealers across the country to do the install, choose quality products from the industry leader in ride control since 1955.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.